Solve the following inequalities and represent the solutions on a single number line. The first inequality is given as 3 minus 2x is less than 5. We can collect like terms by having negative 2x is less than 5 minus 3. We are going to have negative 2x is less than 2. To get x alone, we are going to divide both sides by negative 2. For all inequalities, whenever we divide by a negative number, the sign of the inequality will change. So therefore, this one will be negative 2x over negative 2. The sign will change to greater than 2 over negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 2 will cancel, so that we have x alone is greater than negative 1. Negative 2 goes here once, it goes here negative 1 times. The second part, we have been given 4 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 8. We can collect like terms by having negative 3x is greater than or equal to 8 minus 4, which means negative 8 minus 4, which means negative 3x is greater than or equal to negative 12. To get x alone, we must divide both sides by negative 3. And when you divide by a negative number, the inequality sign would change. So it will be negative 3x over negative 3. The inequality sign would change to less than or equal to negative 12 over negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 3 would cancel, so that we have x is less than or equal to positive 4, meaning that x is ranging from negative 1 to positive 4. That is the range of the value of x. The smaller answer is negative 1, the larger answer is 4. So when you draw the number line, we must consider the values of our answer, so that we write the smaller one and the bigger one in the correct order. So according to these two answers, negative 1 is the smallest answer, positive 4 is the largest answer. So our number line can come from negative 1 all the way up to 4. Then we look at the sign that is at those numbers. X is greater than negative 1. So at negative 1, the inequality that we have is greater than. Greater than is given by drawing an empty circle. Greater than or less than are drawn using empty circles. At 4, we have x is less than or equal to 4. The inequality signs less than or equal to or greater than or equal to are given by drawing a shaded circle. Then the line between them, we shade it. Then I have represented the solution in a number line. The number line must have 2 arrows with 2 circles, because it is representing a range of values of the solution of the inequalities.